Imagine if you could eliminate every gear, belt, and lead screw from your motion systems. What if you could create perfectly straight movement without any mechanical conversion at all? That's exactly what linear motors do, and they're revolutionizing everything from manufacturing lines to the trains we ride. Here's the fascinating part. A linear motor is essentially a regular electric motor that's been cut open and laid flat. Instead of spinning in circles, the magnetic forces push straight ahead. No conversion needed, no mechanical losses, just pure, direct linear motion. Think about this for a second. Every time a traditional system converts rotary motion to linear motion, you lose efficiency. You add wear points. You introduce backlash and maintenance headaches. Linear motors bypass all of that by generating straight-line movement directly through electromagnetic force. The physics is beautifully simple. When you run current through conductors in a magnetic field, you get force. Arrange those magnets and conductors in a straight line instead of a circle, and you've got linear motion. Control the timing and strength of those magnetic interactions, and you achieve precision that mechanical systems struggle to match. This technology already powers magnetic levitation trains reaching speeds over 300 miles per hour. In manufacturing, linear motors position components with micron-level accuracy at speeds that would destroy traditional ball screws. They're transforming semiconductor production, automated assembly, and precision measurement systems. The engineering trade-offs are real, though. Linear motors cost more upfront and require sophisticated control systems. But for applications demanding high speed, extreme precision, or minimal maintenance, they're becoming the obvious choice. Want to dive deeper into the technology and applications? Find the link in the description below to read the full article.